Hi guys, in this chapter we're going to learn about layering. So now you can always put however many layers you want, when you're styling you can put however many layers you want, but right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a piece of garment on top of it. So I'm going to go to the library and I'm going to go to garments. I'm going to choose the most basic, because usually these come already made for you and all you have to do is adjust. And I'm just going to bring in this. Make sure you say don't say open, because open will open another project instead and you lose everything. So I'm going to bring in this, and before I simulate you can see everything is aligned to where it needs to be. This is a basic shirt. Before I simulate or do anything, I'm going to edit it to however I want it to go. For example, I want it to be cut in the middle. So I'm going to get this pen tool and I'm going to draw a line. No, first of all, no. First, let me first choose this line and say cancel axis. Once I've cancelled axis, I'm going to get this pen tool and then draw a line from top to bottom, and I'm going to say cut, and just cut. That means now we have two fabrics here. After that, I don't really like the height, and hold on. So I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to bring in this. I'm going to say because I want everything that I edit from one side, the other side is affected, because when I cut and sewed, then that took away the editing. So now they are connected pieces. What I want to do is I want to reduce the height and make it all the way crop like that. And over here we're having issues, so let's remove some of these, and now it's more flat. And here I will make it 90 degrees, and then let's do the same for the back. The back is okay because I'm not separating it into two, so I'm just going to bring it all the way up, and I'm going to find out what this is. 10 centimeters and this is 11, so I'm going to make it 10 centimeters, but from the end, not from the beginning. Yeah, so and then I'm going to bring this in as well. So now we have our our crop top, or whatever you'd want to call it. One more thing that I don't like about here is the sleeve part, the neckline. I don't like it, so I'll remove it. I just want this to drape the way it should drape. Actually, maybe I should make okay, so I'm designing as I go, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to no, let's leave it as a crop. I just want to give it a bit of fullness at the bottom, like let's give it a bottom like that, and we'll Hi guys, if you're enjoying this course, be sure to check out my course on Udemy. It's only $14. It's the masterclass for CUSTOMISE, and also I have a masterclass with connecting STYLE3D to Blender 3D. So be sure to check those courses out. I'm going to leave the link. Please, that's the only way you can support me, because I'm offering this here for free. So if you want to support me, go over there and buy my other courses. Thank you very much, and let's get back to learning. This a 90-degree angle, and let's do the same for the back. I don't really like all of these. Okay, then let's increase that. Let's put this down. Let's give it a curve. Okay, so now let's simulate. So we have our 2 layers of we have our 2 layers now, right? This is not depicting what I would want you guys to. Let me say, if I wanted this layer to go underneath, right? I know that's not ideal, but if I wanted this shirt to go underneath, then what I have to do is go here. I pick the fabric and then go here, and or I'll pick this fabric and make it go on top of the other one and say 1 and say okay. You see how it's going under. Yes, exactly. That's how you layer your fabrics. Now this one is already on top, so there isn't nothing much I can do, right? Like, it's already on top and it's going to continue being on top. If it was very tight, and let me go back. I'm going to make it, if you want to go back, you can go here and then go all the way back. That's too bad. Okay, let's see. Let me remove this and let me sew these 2 segments. So do you see how the zipper in the back and whatnot is trying to make itself come to the front? Do you see what's happening? So in order to avoid this, you have to pick everything, and then you say, yeah, this is already 0, so you're going to make this 1, and something is going to ask you whatever, then you say okay, and then once you simulate, you start to see that the top is going in the front, so you can also help it so that it stays on the front. Or sometimes you can for example, you bring it back, you re-simulate it, and then okay, this zipper is being stubborn, but you can see the rest of the outfit is behind and inside. And if it was tighter, you would see that it would be trying to get out. Let me show you that in the next chapter while I add a dart here, so that you can see how you can add darts and also look at the actual layering. So